Today I'm going over my holy grail products as a makeup artist. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Larissa and welcome to day 7 of my makeup challenge where you ask your questions and I answer. They can also be skincare related. Go ahead and leave a comment and I'll do a video reply. So today I want to go over some of my holy grail products that I personally use day in, day out. I'm going to start off with something that I have never really used or considered for myself personally until like the past maybe 3 months, and that is color correcting my under eyes. Like, I don't sleep as it is. I have the worst under eyes ever, and as we age, like I'm 35, I've noticed that, you know, dark circles are kind of getting a little bit worse. So a product I love for that is the Huda Beauty. This is their Faux Filter Correct in the shade Pink Pomelo. If you have medium to dark skin tone, you can try something that is a little bit less pink and a little bit more on the orangey pinky side. Again, it's all trial and error, but this one works pretty well and I have been enjoying. Next up is my favorite powder next to the MAC Studio Fix powder. So if I don't have this with me, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pressed Airbrush Flawless Powder. I can never say the name, but these in my kit and in my everyday life are like a godsend. I love them. Now for anything that's like a glowy base, there's 2 products that I constantly go between and I love both of them equally. One is the e.l.f. Halo Glow and the other one is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. Both of them are very, very similar. I find that the e.l.f. has a wider range in colors and undertones and it has a little bit more coverage, and you can probably get away with that in the summer more as a like foundation than a base, but I love this stuff. I use it on my brides, I use it on myself, like love it. And my favorite bronzer isn't actually a bronzer, it's a transforming skin perfector, that's what they call it, but I use it as a bronzer, and it's this one by Makeup by Mario, and as you can see, like I've hit pretty much pan on it. I'm gonna order a new one soon. I'm in the shade light medium, and I don't know what it is about this powder. Every time I put it on, it looks natural. It looks like I have nothing on. It blends out beautifully. I am like obsessed. Okay, my favorite eyeshadow palette lately, and I've been using this probably for the last 3 months, is the NATASHA DENONA I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. I don't know what it is about this palette, but I am obsessed. Like, I cannot stop using it. And I use it for glam looks, for natural looks, matte looks, something with a little bit of shimmer. The quality of the pigments, sometimes you need a little bit more to kind of blend out. Not gonna lie, they're a little bit on the drier side, but some of the pressed powders in here and the glitters, well, not glitters, they're shimmers, they're really pretty. And my favorite lip combination, like I never go anywhere without this. This is the, I don't even know if they still make this because I can't find it in stores, like I have to order it on Amazon, is the NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Nude. So MPL10. I probably have purchased like 20 of these. I can't get enough of it. And then I usually pair it with my favorite lip gloss. This one is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline in the shade 003 Moon. These two, always in my purse or my pocket. Like, I can't leave the house without them. And then for foundations, I have 3 that I keep going between. So on days that I'm gonna like run out the door and just kind of want a little bit of coverage, I use the Charlotte Tilbury The Beautiful Skin Foundation. I really like this foundation. A lot of people don't. Some people it's not enough coverage, but it's just the perfect amount of like barely there makeup with some glow to it. Up next is one I'm surprised that I go to a lot is the MAC Studio Fix Serum Powder Foundation. Now, if you are a shade in the MAC Studio Fix, you're gonna like NW whatever 40, you're gonna be a different shade in this, and I learned that the hard way. It's not the same, but this, it's glowy, it's hydrating, it's just beautiful coverage, it sits beautifully on the skin. Like, I can't get enough of that. And then on days that I have like special events, guys, this is like my, I don't even know, like I just love this foundation so much. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Oil-Free Foundation. This stuff, it's pricey, but like honest to God, if you have a special event or something, just try this out. It is so beautiful. They have another version of it too. I don't know if they discontinued that, but honest to God, what shade am I in? I'm in 230 Alder. Shiseido has amazing products and I feel like it doesn't get spoken enough, but this is probably like my top tier foundation for like special events. It's natural, it has full coverage, it doesn't emphasize your pores, your wrinkles, it doesn't sit on your skin, it blends in beautifully and it lasts for hours, and it's just, oh, I love it. Okay, if you made it this far for recommendations, I need help. I love the MAC Black Stack Mascara, but I'm on the hunt for a new mascara. So if you have any recommendations for mascaras that you like, they can be at any price point. I prefer to get my mascaras usually from the drugstore. I really don't find that there's a massive difference. Another of my favorite mascaras was the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Love that one. I just want to try something different. So if you've got any recommendations, pop them in. Always bop my face. Pop them in the comments. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.